All right, keeping on track with consistency. Got up early, worked out today, listened to a podcast of Ed Milet. I like his stuff. Been listening to a lot of that recently. It's a lot of great ideas. It's a little bit inspirational, a little bit something to get me moving in the morning. And then what's my next routine is breakfast. So I prepare my Shakeology shake. I'm a Beachbody coach. One of the things I like about the product is that it gives me consistent, good nutrition as one of my meals. So I start the day with it. I make a shake, and then I have about half a shake in the morning. And then my second thing that I eat is eggs every morning. Gotta love it. Eggs, a couple of slices of plain wheat toast, and I'm good to go. So that's my morning routine. I try to keep it consistent. I try to keep it every day the same thing, so I don't even have to think about it. I just wake up and that's what I do, and then I'm used to it, and I know I'm getting good nutrition because that's important to me for longevity of life and being able to enjoy my kids and my life. So I hope you guys have a routine and do whatever works for you. Don't do my thing. Listen to other people's. See what works, but do something. Keep it a habit, keep it a ritual, keep it a routine, make it easy that you don't have to think about, and then think about the hard things in life, the things that really matter.